Like I said.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice, yes.
That's right. Thank you.
So you arrived safely?
Oh yes,
Good trip.
very much
Good
so.
trip.
Yeah, it
Where
was
were you
long,
flying
but
from?
it was Frankfurt, Singapore, Auckland.
Oh, you came through
Yeah,
Singapore and
yeah,
Auckland?
yeah.
Oh, good flight, huh?
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
Please, Excellency. Where do you go?
And then tomorrow morning I'll be flying back back to
Through the same way?
Same way. So support for the reconstruction
Okay.
process is there. But
It's a present to us.
This is really
To you?
Nice.
So,
Piece.
thank you, Excellency.
So thank you so much.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, Prime Minister, congratulations. This is
Thank you very
really,
much.
really important agreement that we signed on our national indicative program. Really delighted to be here today to sign the national indicative program for Fiji under our European Union's development, 11th European Union's Development Fund. Today is a unique day. We have resumed our full cooperation with Fiji. Today's signature has become a reality following all the good progress Fiji has done. This formalizes the full re-engagement with Fiji following the holding of parliamentary elections in September 2014, a successful process to which the European Union was pleased to contribute. But this also formalizes the resumption of a close partnership through which the European Union and Fiji will further enhance collaboration on developmental challenges. Development cooperation, and in particular the funding under the new 11th European Development Fund program, may now be delivered through the government of Fiji in support of the National Development Strategy. The National Indicative Program has been designed in close consultation with the government of Fiji. To maximize the value added of our cooperation, we have jointly agreed to concentrate support on two main areas: on sustainable rural livelihoods and on public administration reform and governance, for which indicative financial envelopes of respectively 47 and 18 million Fijian dollars will be available. We sincerely hope that our partnership will be instrumental in supporting the promotion of a rule of law and political stability and equal rights to all citizens, notably through projects promoting access to justice for all. Economic growth and creation of new job opportunities are key to development and poverty reduction. This is why we are ready to continue sustaining your sugar sector reform and promote agriculture diversification in line with Fiji's agriculture policy until 2020. But this is not all. Fiji will also be able to benefit from the regional program of 388 million Fijian dollars, which I will sign later today. Our regional cooperation complements national indicative programs and is to support you in enhancing your regional ambitions, especially in regional economic integration, sustainable management of natural resources and the environment, and in management of waste, and the inclusive and accountable governance and the respect of human rights. Fiji development will, of course, also benefit from the implementation of the Economic Partnership Agreement. In the European Union, we attach a lot of importance to the role of civil society. Their voice, their knowledge and engagement can help to make policies more responsive to the expectations of the people, especially to those who may be unable to assert their needs due to poverty, exclusion or discrimination. This is why support from the Pacific Regional Program and the EU thematic programs will be available to strengthen the capacity and participation of civil society throughout the region. Our partnership is not only developmental, however, but also political. Yesterday, we also resumed our high-level enhanced political dialogue. Our renewed partnership, which is both developmental and political, should enable us to address better issues of common concern, such as climate change and migration, also in the international fora. Let's use the opportunities offered by our renewed, multifaceted partnership and make it a successful one. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the European Union Commissioner for International Cooperation and Development, members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I extend my sincere appreciation to the European Union Commissioner for International Cooperation and Development, Mr. Mimisa, for the opportunity to meet bilaterally with him this morning. We had a very fruitful meeting and held discussions on a range of important issues with a view to strengthening and deepening our bilateral relations. Today, as he has stated, today marks another milestone in the full restoration of our long-standing cooperation provided for under the Cotonou Partnership Agreement. Through the signature today of Fiji's National Indicative Program for the period 2014-2020, totaling 28 million euros, we have charted a new course of close and mutual cooperation in various areas of development. While Fiji continued to be a beneficiary of the Regional Indicative Program for the Pacific region, the signature of the National Indicative Program has provided the legal basis for EU bilateral aid in two mutually agreed focal sectors, namely the sustainable rural livelihoods of 20 million euros and public administration reform and governance of 7.5 million euros. The remaining balance of 0.5 million euros will be directed towards the provision of measures to support or accompany the programming, preparation and implementation of actions. On behalf of the Government, Your Excellency, and the people of Fiji, I express our deep appreciations to the assistance that the European Union is providing to Fiji. I am confident that as a result of today's meeting, Fiji-European Union bilateral relations will be conducted at a much higher level. Thank you.
Ambassador based in Brussels.
Yes, of course. Yeah. That's,
Have you been? Thank you, sir. Ambassador, thank you again.